Good morning, my dear students, and today we're going to talk about something very important, okay? And as always, we're going to pick up our material, and basically you have the lesson in Alexia Classroom, right? Please, if you haven't opened it yet, open it up and get into this class in the virtual world, right? Please get into this Alexia content, and then you also may need the book. As always, we are using this book, the Gold Experience second version, okay? And in this book, especially in the page number 85, we are going to find our topic. And the topic for today is quantifiers and pronouns, okay? Quantifiers and pronouns. But basically, we're going to be focused on nouns in general, okay? Nouns in general. Quantifiers. What are quantifiers? Quantifiers are words that express quantity, okay? So basically you use quantifiers to express the amount of something, So with that regard, we have objects, things that you can count, but others you can't count. So when you refer to objects, things that you can count, these are called countable nouns, okay? Countable nouns. But for these countable nouns, you will also use quantifiers. There are quantifiers that are used for countable nouns, okay? But in the other aspect, we have things that you can count, okay? These are called uncountable things. And in this aspect, you also have quantifiers, uncountable quantifiers, and that's what you find on the page number 85. Please open your books on the page 85, and on the page 85 you will find this chart. Take a look at this, and you have this chart which is focused on the grammar issue, okay, on the grammar part. And as you can see, we have two realms, okay, two aspects, as you may say. Two groups, okay? We have the uncountable and the countable, okay? Things you can count and things you can't count, okay? So let's start first with the uncountable, okay? With the uncountable. Why, teacher, we start with the uncountable? Because in the book, it starts with the uncountable nouns, okay? And in the realm of uncountable nouns, we find this quantifier. The quantifier for uncountable nouns is a little or little. Let me say it again. For uncountable nouns, we use two kinds or two types or two quantifiers. The first one is a little, or you could say just little, okay? So remember, quantifiers go before the noun. This is the noun, and this is the quantifier. Quantifiers go before the noun. So basically, nouns and quantifiers, they go together, okay? But in this example, you find, for example, you have your sentence over here. So please, it says in the uncountable nouns, the example is this. A little water is the noun, right? Water. A little water runs down into its mouth, right? Remember, water is countable or uncountable? It's uncountable, right? Because you can't count water. You don't say one water, two waters, three waters. No, you can't count water. Why? Because water is a noun that you can't count. So basically, it is uncountable, okay? So another example, let me give you another example. And it says, it lives in the desert. Where is little water? Where there is little water, sorry. Where there is little water. So we talked about uncountable, right? Let's switch to the other part. Let's talk about countable nouns, okay? So in the countable realm, we have countable quantifiers, and these are a few, okay? Either, a few, and few, okay? You have also each, you have also all of, and you have every. Okay, every. And in these expressions in the countable realm, you have also either, neither, either or, neither or. Okay? To talk about alternatives, for example, in this lesson, you find this example. So if you want to start practicing more and knowing more about this, obviously you need to practice, okay? So the practice you will finding in this lesson, and if you have any questions about quantifiers and nouns, please don't hesitate to ask to your teacher, okay? So I'm pretty sure that we are going to have a wonderful lesson. So I give you greetings and I hope you enjoy this class. See you there.